I'm Stefan Gevers, a contemporary watercolour artist from Melbourne, Australia. I've been working with watercolour for over 30 years and teaching contemporary watercolour classes and workshops for nearly 12 years with excellent feedback. I'm really passionate about this medium and what you can achieve through exploration. My tutorials focus on teaching skills and then apply those skills to an artwork. The tutorials vary from working with still lifes, landscapes and abstract compositions. Throughout the tutorials, you will have the opportunity to complete a number of artworks. The course will give you an in-depth knowledge of working with watercolour, and for you to be able to start working confidently or extend your watercolour knowledge. Happy painting! And remember, we are always learning, even me. That's not going to work.